In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace an image in Canva. Whether you're updating a social media post, refreshing a presentation, or simply changing a photo in a template, knowing how to quickly swap images will save you a lot of time. I'll walk you through the process step by step, keeping it simple and clear so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your Canva design in the editor. This can be any design you've already created or a template you're working on. Once the editor loads, take a moment to locate the image on your design that you want to replace. This might be a photo in a frame, a background image, or any picture placed on the canvas. Now, shift your attention to the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find different options like templates, elements, uploads, and more. You can choose your replacement image from two main places, either from Canva's built-in photos under the Elements tab, or from your own files in the Upload section. In this walkthrough, we'll use the Elements option. Click on Elements, then select Photos. Here, you can either browse through the suggested images or use the search bar to type in keywords related to the kind of image you want, such as office, nature, or food. Take a moment to scroll and find a photo that fits the look and feel of your design. Once you've found the photo you want to use as a replacement, click and hold your mouse on that image. Then drag it towards the existing image on your design. As you hover over the image you want to replace, you'll notice that area becomes highlighted, often with a purple border. This visual cue tells you that Canva is ready to swap the images. When you see that highlight, simply release your mouse button to drop the new photo into place. The old image will be replaced automatically, keeping the same size, position, and any frame or crop that was applied before. This makes your design stay consistent without needing to resize or rearrange everything. If the new image doesn't look quite right, you can double-click it to adjust the crop or reposition it inside the frame. And if you change your mind, you can always drag a different photo over it and repeat the process. That's all there is to it.